Hi everyone, this is Grow It Build It, and today I'm planting some bare root trees. And I saved you watching me dig a hole, but how to plant a bare root tree though, the best way I've had success, once your hole's dug, pour a little bit of water in there and wait until that water gets absorbed. You're just trying to create a little moist reservoir underneath where you're going to put the tree. So I poured in not that much water. As you can see, I mostly have clay. But I'll come back in 15-20 minutes after it's been absorbed, and I'll plant this tree and I'll show you how to do it. Bye. Okay, I'm back. Most of that's been absorbed. Didn't realize how shallow this tree was I bought. It's a white cedar, Thuja occidentalis. I'm replacing the one that died. I have a row of 7 trees, and all of them made it except for that sorry guy. I'm surprised this is so shallow. I'm gonna have to fill in my hole a little bit before I even plant this thing, so I'll be back in a minute. And the reason why I'm saying that is you don't want to plant and bury the needles at all, so I really only have, I don't know, maybe 6 inches of depth to plant this thing. That's kind of surprising. And right now my hole is, it's at least a foot deep, so. All right, well, I'll do that quick, and I'll add some compost and topsoil, and we'll see what happens. Okay, back again, and I've filled it in quite a bit, mixed in some compost and topsoil. One trick to see how your depth is to basically lay down a shovel, your shovel that you're digging with, and then you can essentially look to see if you're good or if you need to go a little more. In this case, I'm just about good, I think. I just need to put a little bit more dirt in there. So, let's see if we can just scrape it in quick. And I'm getting into my mulch. That's okay. Now, let's see. Okay, so that's looking pretty good. That's about right where I need it to be. So now I'm basically just gonna lay it down. I'm gonna spread these roots out as much as I can for how big my hole is, and then I'm gonna just gently cover it up. I don't know if I can do. Spread this out just a little more. You just want to spread the roots out as much as you can. And then just start bringing in the dirt. And do that until the tree can support itself. This isn't too bad, so I'll probably just shut the camera off, top dress it, and try to salvage what mulch I can. And after this, I'm just going to water it in a little bit, and this tree is planted at that point. So, thank you very much. As you can see, the height is right. I don't have any needles buried, and that's actually a dead branch. So all the roots are covered in dirt. I have roots going all the way out here and as much around as I can. And that's pretty much about it. Water it in, mulch it, and you're done. I will top dress this with some compost though. So I got some good stuff left, so I'll use it up. Thank you. Just one more item that's a good idea whenever you put a new bare root tree in is to stake it. Just stake it and tie it so that the wind can't really knock it down or anything. because you know this thing is only 6 inches deep and it's, you know, about 3 feet above the ground. So it's just one last item to do. All right, thank you. Any questions, comments, you know, just go ahead and comment. Like the video, subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. Thank you very much.